Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the brightness controls. Click the battery or network icon, or press Win plus A to open Action Center. Once there, use the quick slider to change brightness from 0 to 100%. This is instant and practical for immediate comfort. Next, make sure to open Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display so you can access persistent options. You're doing this to balance visibility and battery life. Adjusting here ensures changes persist across reboots and different power states. Once done with basic sliders, move into advanced display options. Go to Display Settings and toggle Adaptive Brightness so the system uses ambient light to adjust automatically. Enable Night Light to reduce blue light in evenings. Make sure to open your graphics driver control panel, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA to set per application brightness, color profiles, or gamma. These often override Windows. Also check your active power plan. Switching to balanced or power saver limits peak brightness to conserve battery, which is why you'll test changes now. You're almost finished. Save any changes and restart the PC to ensure settings apply across sessions. If brightness still behaves oddly, open Device Manager and update the display adapter driver or roll back if a recent update caused issues. Make sure hybrid graphics aren't forcing a different adapter. Set the preferred GPU in system settings if needed. If nothing helps, check BIOS/UEFI for display-related settings and verify your monitor or cable. As a troubleshooting tip, always test with another cable or external monitor to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.